Hello everyone, welcome to the magical worlds of Groovy and Grails. Groovy and Grails provide an efficient and easy to use platform for web development. With a powerful language like Groovy and a convention based framework like Grails, developers can quickly build feature rich and high performance web applications. Let's talk about some of the features of Grails. Grails provide convention over configuration principle, which allow developers to focus on writing code rather than configuring the files. Grails offers scaffolding functionality, generating basic application components like controllers and views based on domain classes, speeding up the development process. It provides COM, which simplifies the data operation by providing a high-level API for interacting with databases, supporting Hibernate, MongoDB, and other databases. Grails has a wide range of plugins for adding features such as security, caching, and RESTful services, extending the framework's functionality. It has Groovy integration. Grail leverages the Groovy features like closures and builders, enabling concise and expressive coding. It includes an asset pipeline for managing static assets, enhancing performance and organization in web applications. Grails offers built-in support for writing unit and integration tests, ensuring application quality and reliability. It provides us an easy configuration. Grails uses a Groovy-based DSL for configuration, offering a more readable and concise alternative to XML or property-based configurations. Here are some advantages of Grails over Spring. Development in Grails is much faster than Spring. It provides productivity boost because of the features like scaffolding, dynamic reloading. It has seamless integration with Java. It has built-in ORM. It has an ecosystem of plugins, offering solutions for common tasks like security and authentication. Let's take a look at the Grails application structure. Grails follows a standard directory structure with folders like controllers, domain, services, and views. This structure helps organize different parts of the application logically. Now, let's look at the features of Groovy. Groovy provides dynamic typing. Groovy does not require you to specify variable types, giving you more flexibility and making your code less cluttered. It has a concise syntax. Compared to Java, Groovy lets you express the same idea with less code, making it quicker and more enjoyable to write. It has a seamless Java integration. You can use existing Java libraries seamlessly in Groovy project, which is great because you can leverage Java's vast ecosystem without any fuss. It supports metaprogramming. Groovyy's metaprogramming capabilities allow you to tweak and extend your classes at runtime, opening up a whole new world of possibilities for dynamic behavior. It supports ECT transformation. Groovy lets you transform your code's abstract syntax tree at compile time, enabling powerful optimizations and customizations. Need to construct complex data structure like XML or JSON? Groovy builder syntax make it easy to create them in a way that's both readable and expressive. Let's look at the syntax example for Groovy, where we have defined a list and then we are iterating a list. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content. Next, we will be covering how to set up Grails in different systems.